corn rootworm has had quite a history. I think every farmer in Iowa has experienced it to some degree to where it was a severe yield limiting factor. Back when early trait integration happened, we relied on that solely. Over time, corn rootworm overpowered those traits, and it took a few years before we really understood the severity of it. You couple that with a drought, and then you really get some yield loss. Down corn is a very large issue. Plant breeders specifically look for corn that has good stature and can stand through windstorms. And corn rootworm, having that presence there and chewing on those roots can cause that to lodge. And so, man, the potential for having corn on the ground with root lodging is severe. And so you just have to consider that as a big priority when you're planning out your future growing season. So we don't want that to happen. The cost of that and the repercussions the year following from that are severe enough that we take that seriously. Honestly, when you think of SmartStax PRO, what comes to mind is just this massive root ball, just fibrous roots, and that's what equals yield. You know, all the time we just focus on the above ground portion of the plant, but honestly, the bigger root mass you have, the better chance you have for a bigger yield. Moisture scavenging, nutrient scavenging, drought tolerance, there's just no disadvantage to having a big root system. So with SmartStax PRO, we're hoping that it's effective enough with a high pressure situation that you can decide to still grow corn cost effectively without severe damage.